Mission starts! Target, the legendary Golden Mango! I hope it's real, or this is all for nothing.
I studied this for hours! We must beat the cat security team!
Relax! That silly cat guarded a rock all day last week. He thought it was cheese. If we align the core here, the magnet should reach the golden mango.
Perfect! This is it, team. Operation Destiny.
Four-pronged attack. I fly recon. Biloo takes the canopy. Guru, your digger goes underground. Chutki, you go stealth. Gentlemen, I present the Mango Magnet 3000.
What are we waiting for? The mango won't come to us.
Wow! The golden mango! It's real!
It's bigger than a tree.
There could be traps.
Obviously, it is the cave of the golden mango.
Stand aside! This prize is for the Jungle Patrol!
You just tripped 3 times, Champa. Let us lead.
Every legend has a beginning. This one had traps.
Maybe we should not have come.
No turning back now! Adventure waits for no one!
Alert! Alert! The mango has guards!
See? I told you there were traps!
Don't worry, I've got this.
Missed me! You're too slow, guys!
I never took jungle gymnastics class!
Nice one. Let's get the mango.
Curse this slippery floor!
There, it is! The golden mango is ours!
Now the real fun begins. How do we take it without setting off?
I didn't mean to press it!
Golu, you idiot! Silence it!
We're compromised! We're compromised!
Is it a squirrel?
Oh no! It's Catguard Chiang's heroic entrance. You little rascals! What are you doing in my Mango Valley? Ha! Caught you red-handed!
Easy there, Xiang. We're all friends here. T, run!
The Golden Mango.
The real adventure is about to begin.